Welcome back to my channel. So during this video I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in the May Lurella's subscription box. I'm excited about this box. When I opened it, I was like, yes. But the May subscription is the Fresh Squeeze, and this is the card that came in this month. Sometimes you get the card, sometimes you don't. Sometimes they have like a little message on it, but this month it does not have a message, but it is a lemon fresh squeeze collection. So let's start out with what I received in this box. So for starters is the new Irish Squeeze eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette retails for $21. As we know, it's not going to be available until maybe July, after the month has ended. But this is what the packaging looked like. Really pretty packaging. I love the lemony packaging. It's so pretty, so pretty. And inside you have the shades of the palette. Now this palette is not the typical packaging for them. It's more of a to me, in my opinion, a more cheaper cardboard. It's more like a cardboardish, cheaper packaging than what I'm used to with Lurella, because as you can see, it's coming apart, but that's okay. I'm just not used to this packaging. It's real kind of like on a lighter side, so you have to be careful with it. But these are the beautiful colors in this eyeshadow palette, and it has a big mirror in this palette. The palette is actually huge. So like I said, it's a pretty eyeshadow palette, and I can't wait to try the yellows in this palette here. It's really pretty. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and if you subscribe to this box, let me know if you like it, how you feel about Lurella's formula, because I love their formula. That's an amazing formula. The next item is the cleansing balm, and I know they just came out with this, and this is a huge cleansing balm. Oh, it has a little spatula in it. I didn't see that, but this is a huge cleansing balm. That's a lot of product, and this thing retails for $12. So I'm gonna tell you, if I like this when I use it and they have a sale, it didn't have a cent to it, I'm definitely gonna purchase another one, because this is a lot of product for $12. A lot of product. So I'm excited to try the balm, because the way I have sensitive, and I'm glad it didn't have a scent either, because my eyes are so sensitive. I can't put everything around my eyes, or I wouldn't even be able to do my makeup, because they will be irritated for days. So can't wait to try this out and see how it works, and I hope it works perfect. The next item is the Moonlight brush set, and this retails for $25. It comes with of course, a bag. They love to give you bags and storage, which I do like. And it's this nice baby blue, sky blue brush set. Now this is a really large brush. This will probably be a good blush brush or bronzing brush. It's really soft. A nice fan brush, highlighting brush. And then you have some other additional brushes. Now this will probably be a great concealer brush when you're doing your brows, carving them out with that round edge on it, and it'll give that nice shape. So this is the brush set. And I do like that they do give plenty of brush sets. Like pretty much every month you'll probably get a brush set, and I do love that. And a lot of times I'll give some of the brush sets to you know, my family and friends that love makeup like me, so I don't mind sharing. I share with my family and friends all the time. The next item in the box is the glitter eyeliner, and I know these just came out recently as well. I have not tried the glitter liner. This is the first one I've received in my box, and it says something girl. Crafted, curated. I don't know what that say, but it's something girl. But it's a glitter liner. I think it's like on the gold side. Can you all see that? Okay, so it is. It's a nice pretty gold, and it's really kind of it's creamy too. So I can't wait to try this. I've never used a glitter pen liner, but I think when I try the palette, I may use the liner if I do not forget. And this liner retails for $10. The next item is a beauty sponge. this pretty yellow beauty sponge. You can never have too many beauty sponges. I still use my sponges. I know some people have moved away from sponges, but I still love my beauty sponges. So this sponge retails for $10. Now I have a couple of the sponges. I never used them. I need to pull one out to see how it performs, because it looks like the actual original beauty blender. The packaging is pretty much the same with the little cleansing bar inside of it. So we'll see. The last item is the lip gloss. The lip gloss retails for $10, and I love me a nice gold sparkly lip gloss. And this one is in the shade Best Life. Really pretty. I already know I have something on already, so I'm not gonna type it with it, but I do like the gold tone of it. It's like it looks like it's gonna be a clear with gold reflex type. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Y'all know what? You know, it ain't gonna hurt to apply just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's so pretty, so pretty. I love it. I love the lip glosses. If you have not tried the lip glosses, I would recommend trying the lip glosses. But that completes my unboxing. And I absolutely love Lurella's subscription boxes. I think as long as I can afford them, I'll probably be receiving them. Purchasing them, rather, not receiving them, because I do purchase them with my own money. But I do love the items received, because I'm an eyeshadow palette freak when it comes to my makeup. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I can't wait to use the lemon. I don't know why I keep saying lemon. I guess I'm looking at the lemon, the fresh squeeze. I'm gonna make my own lemon squeeze, fresh squeeze eyeshadow palette. So if you guys get this subscription box, let me know your thoughts on it. How do you feel about the products? If I do not have any products that you have tried that I don't have or you haven't seen, let me know. Let me know if I should try them out, and your thoughts on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my unboxing Lurella's May subscription box. And if you have not done so already, you know what I'm gonna say. Comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family here. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.